Let's be honest. Smart glasses used to be a gimmick. Bulky, expensive, and mostly useless outside of novelty demos. But now something's changed, and it's happening fast. Thanks to a new wave of AI agents, smart glasses are finally becoming actually useful. Recognizing objects, translating signs in real time, remembering people, giving directions, and even interacting with your apps hands-free. Meta, Google, and Xiaomi are now in a full-blown race to turn smart glasses into the next major computing platform. Meta's upcoming Artemis glasses, Google's Android XR, and Xiaomi's surprisingly advanced specs are all signs of one thing: the AI-powered wearable era is here. In this video, we break down how smart glasses made a comeback, why AI agents are the key to making them stick this time, and whether they're truly ready to replace your smartphone. Smart glasses have been around for over a decade, but let's face it, they never really took off. Whether it was Google Glass, Snap Spectacles, or early versions of Meta's Ray-Ban collaboration, the tech always felt like a cool prototype, not something people actually needed or wanted to wear every day. The problem? They lacked real utility. Sure, you could take a photo or record a video, maybe get a notification, but there was no intelligence behind the experience. They weren't smart, they were just wearable. And that's exactly why early smart glasses flopped. They didn't solve real-world problems. They didn't make life easier, faster, or more hands-free. Most people already had a smartphone in their pocket that did everything better. But in 2024, something big changed: AI agents. Instead of relying on rigid voice commands or basic input, smart glasses are now powered by multimodal AI models that can see what you see, hear what you hear, and respond based on deep contextual understanding. These glasses aren't just displaying data. They're interpreting your surroundings, making decisions, and proactively offering help. Imagine walking through a crowded airport and having your glasses overlay arrows toward your gate, or looking at a person and having their name and meeting history appear because the AI remembered them from a past interaction, or translating a foreign sign in real time, right in your field of view. These are no longer gimmicks. These are meaningful, hands-free capabilities that could replace dozens of things we rely on our phones for. The difference is clear. Before AI, smart glasses were dumb devices with limited use. Now powered by advanced agents and vision models, they're becoming context-aware tools, and suddenly people are paying attention. So what changed? 2 words: AI agents. These aren't just voice assistants. They're multimodal reasoning systems that combine vision, audio, memory, and context. And when you embed them in smart glasses, the result is a device that doesn't just respond to your commands, it understands your environment. AI agents today can recognize objects, translate languages in real time, summarize conversations, pull up personalized reminders, and even run small tasks like sending emails or controlling apps, all while you're on the move. This turns your glasses into a true heads-up interface for your digital life. Big tech knows it, and the race has officially started. Meta is already shipping Ray-Ban Meta glasses with Meta AI, and they've confirmed a dual display model codenamed Artemis is in the works for release around 2027. These will include full visual overlays and interactive AR layers powered by Meta's in-house AI models. Not just a step forward, a full leap toward replacing smartphones. On the other side, Google is building Android XR, a custom OS for smart glasses and headsets that runs on Gemini-powered AI agents. That means full ecosystem integration, Assistant, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, all available directly in your line of sight, with natural language and visual prompts combined. And it's not just Meta and Google. Xiaomi and other Chinese companies are releasing smart glasses with real-time translation, voice AI, and even payment systems built into the Lens UI. The technology is maturing fast, and so is demand. But here's the kicker: these glasses aren't trying to replicate smartphones. They're trying to replace key smartphone functions with something more seamless. Navigation, communication, identification, translation, memory recall, it's all being condensed into a device you wear on your face. And when you add AI agents that can think, remember, and react, suddenly the glasses aren't the product, the AI is. The hardware is just the window. In short, smart glasses went from underpowered gimmicks to AI-first platforms. And if the hardware catches up to the software, we may not need smartphones much longer. Now that smart glasses are getting smarter, the big question becomes, can they actually replace your smartphone? Technically, we're getting closer. AI agents in glasses can now handle navigation, translation, real-time object recognition, and even recall past interactions. But replacing a phone is about more than just features. It's about user trust, comfort, and habit. And there's a major barrier that could hold everything back: privacy. Think about it. If your glasses are always recording, scanning faces, interpreting surroundings, and streaming data to AI models, where does all that information go? Who controls it? How is it stored? And more importantly, who gets to access it? This is the elephant in the room for smart glasses. Meta ran into this issue even with its camera-enabled Ray-Bans. Users and bystanders alike are cautious. With AI agents now recognizing people, processing voice, and running continuous environmental analysis, the stakes are even higher. Then there's design and wearability. Most consumers still don't want bulky glasses, especially not for everyday use. Glasses are a personal accessory. They have to be stylish, lightweight, and socially acceptable. Until smart glasses match that level of comfort and style, they'll remain niche, no matter how powerful the AI inside them is. Battery life is another challenge. Running real-time vision models, voice assistants, and contextual memory eats up energy fast. No one wants to recharge their glasses 3 times a day or wear a headset tethered to their pocket. So where does that leave us? For now, smart glasses probably won't fully replace smartphones, but they're getting dangerously close to replacing parts of the smartphone experience. Navigation, notifications, translation, quick commands, environmental search, memory recall, these use cases are ready to go. And as AI agents improve, that list will only grow. The end game may not be a phone or glasses. It could be both, or something entirely new. What's clear is this: smart glasses were dead. AI brought them back to life. And this time, they're not just cooler, they're actually useful, maybe even essential. If the next 24 months go the way Meta, Google, and Xiaomi hope, your next phone might sit on your nose, not in your pocket. By now, it's clear, smart glasses are evolving fast. But here's the twist. The real competition isn't just about hardware anymore. It's about who builds the best AI brain to power those glasses. Let's break it down. Meta is betting on Meta AI, an ecosystem trained with massive multimodal data, integrated into Ray-Ban glasses, and expected to power their next-gen Artemis device. What makes Meta's approach unique is that they're training their models to understand what you're looking at, what you're doing, and even what you might want next, without you having to ask. Their goal? A context-aware assistant that acts like a co-pilot for real life, one that lives in your glasses, thinks alongside you, and reacts in milliseconds. Then there's Google, leveraging its Gemini model to power Android XR. Gemini already understands images, videos, documents, speech, and multi-step logic. When embedded into glasses, it becomes a real-time interface for your environment, navigating, explaining, searching, and translating with hands-free precision. And let's not forget Xiaomi and Chinese manufacturers. They're moving fast and aggressively. Some are embedding open-source models like Qwen and Yi into affordable glasses that can translate languages, identify products, and perform voice search locally. No cloud connection needed. That makes them not just smart, but private and fast too. So here's the point. The glasses themselves aren't the game changer. The AI running inside them is. It's no longer about adding features. It's about building an agent that can observe, think, and act in sync with your day-to-day life. One that doesn't just wait for commands, but understands your behavior, predicts your needs, and adapts in real time. That's the real battleground. Not lenses, not frames, not even displays. It's about intelligence. Whoever builds the smartest, fastest, most useful AI agent will dominate the smart glasses space and maybe the next generation of computing itself. So when people say smart glasses are back, they're only half right. Smart glasses never left, but now they have a brain. And it's that brain, the AI inside, that will decide whether these devices fade again or finally replace the phone in your pocket. We've watched smart glasses go from clunky experiments to sleek AI-powered devices. And this time, it's different. The hardware is catching up, the AI is getting smarter, and the biggest players in tech, Meta, Google, Xiaomi, and others, are all in. Why? Because smart glasses finally have what they always lacked: a brain. With AI agents capable of seeing what you see, hearing what you hear, and responding instantly with helpful, context-aware actions, glasses aren't just accessories anymore. They're becoming the next interface for everyday life, navigating the world, translating languages, recognizing people, summarizing your surroundings, and letting you access information without ever pulling out your phone. But will they actually replace smartphones? Not entirely, at least not yet. There are still hurdles: battery life, design, privacy, and public trust. People aren't ready to give up their phones, but they are ready for something smarter and more seamless. And that's where these AI glasses shine. They're not here to replace everything all at once. They're replacing it bit by bit: your maps, your translator, your reminders, your camera, your assistant. So the question isn't if smart glasses will go mainstream, it's when. And if the AI agents inside them continue evolving at this pace, the phone in your pocket might start feeling a little outdated sooner than you think. What do you think? Would you ditch your phone for a pair of smart glasses with real AI built in? Or is this still just hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're covering the future of AI, tech, and the tools that will define the next decade. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.